Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to buy AAVE tokens through SushiSwap on the Polygon network. So we're going to start off here on the Sushi website, enter the app, and now we're in the swap part of the SushiSwap app. You're probably starting off on the Ethereum network, so we're going to go up here and we're going to switch over to Polygon, previously known as Matic here. And just like that, it's going to switch our network. Now, I'm going to be buying with UST. They have some of the common bases here to trade with. I'm just going to select that. And then look up the AAVE token. And selecting AAVE here. Then put in how much I want to buy with USDT, or I could put in how much AAVE I want. But I'm just going to say I want to spend $40 worth of USDT. And this is the estimate of how much AAVE I'm going to get. So I need to approve USDT for transfers first. So I'll click that, confirm that in MetaMask. Just wait a moment here for that to approve. All right, now that's gone through and still have the same settings in here. Shows the exchange rate right now. And now I'm going to hit swap. This tells me the estimated amount I'm going to get, exchange rate, showing that this is going to be routed through the WETH pool first. So it just tells me what the transfer is going to be, what the minimum amount I can receive is for the transaction to work. Otherwise it will fail, but I might get higher than this. There's essentially no price impact since this is a very small trade. So I'm not having to worry about any slippage here. This is how much is going to the liquidity providers, how much is going to Sushi, and then tolerance for slippage, but our slippage is going to be essentially 0 here. So now I'm going to confirm the swap. Have here the very small fees in Matic. Make sure you do have some Matic tokens in your wallet though, in order for this transaction to go through. It's essentially the same as paying Ethereum as a gas fee on the Ethereum mainnet. Confirm that. And it's helpful to add AAVE to MetaMask so that you can see it in your wallet. So I'm going to add the token there. And then I can click this Explorer here and look at the current status of that transaction. Now I just have to wait for that transaction to go through. So this transaction is going pretty slowly. So I'm going to go to Polygon gas station and look at the current gas prices on Polygon. And now I'm going to go to that transaction on MetaMask here, hit speed up, and put the gas price up to fast gas, so 29 Gwei. All right, now that's gone through. Now I see that the transaction was a success. We swapped 40 USDT for 0.114 AAVE tokens, and it went through the WETH pool in between. And we only paid about 1 cent in transaction fees with a very small amount of Matic. So that's all for now. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one.